We're incredibly excited about this. We've been working on it for a long time, and it's finally coming together. The GPT series of models was an incredible breakthrough, particularly in what we call System 1 type thinking, quick, intuitive, and reactive responses. But we knew that the real potential lay in something deeper, reasoning. The ability to think through complex problems, analyze intricate scenarios, and provide truly insightful solutions is what we set out to achieve. You caught a glimpse of that with GPT-4, but what we've developed now, zero-1, takes things to an entirely new level. This is the first system capable of truly advanced reasoning. Whether you're tackling complex programming challenges, solving intricate math problems, or working through advanced scientific concepts, this model delivers extraordinary results. We believe this is just the beginning. Over time, zero-1 will prove to be as significant as the GPT series and will unlock a vast array of valuable applications. Right now, I would compare this moment to where we were during the GPT-2 phase of language models. The technology is in its early stages, but the progress curve is steep. If you think about how much more powerful GPT-4 became compared to its predecessors, then imagine that same level of evolution happening here with reasoning-based AI. What's even more exciting is that improvements will happen much faster this time. In just a few months, the capabilities of this model will expand dramatically. When we initially introduced GPT 3.5, it took time for people to fully grasp how to integrate it into their workflows. Then, with the launch of ChatGPT, everything clicked. Even then, it took time to refine, build out features, and add functionalities that made it truly effective. We're at that early stage now with zero-1. Right now, the main interface is chat-based, but the future holds many more applications beyond that. The most exciting aspect is that this is fundamentally different from previous GPT models. We talk about AI evolving in 5 stages. First, there were chatbots. Second, which we've just reached, is reasoners. AI that can think through problems logically. Third, the next stage is agents. AI systems that can take action autonomously. Fourth, innovators, systems that will be capable of making scientific discoveries. And finally, the 5th stage, fully autonomous AI organizations. The transition from level 1 to level 2 took time, but what's fascinating is that once you reach level 2, the progression to level 3 happens much faster. This is where agent-based AI experiences come into play, and their impact on various industries will be massive. One thing I firmly believe is that when you're in a discussion about a major partnership, you can feel almost immediately whether it's the right fit. That's exactly how I felt when we sat down with T-Mobile. The alignment was clear from the start. There was a shared vision of what this technology could do, not just for business, but for people, for customers, for creating better experiences and better lives. T-Mobile's culture of innovation and willingness to experiment made it a perfect match. Some of the most exciting use cases we discussed revolved around transforming customer experience and completely reimagining how customer support operates. I remember leaving that meeting thinking, we're absolutely going to do this. Let's get our best people on it and make it happen. Speaking of innovation and transformation, let's talk about Tesla's remarkable growth. This isn't just something to admire from a distance, it's an opportunity. Tesla investors, stock market enthusiasts, and forward-thinking analysts are all looking for the next big shift in the market. That's where Seeking Alpha comes in. It's the ultimate resource for staying up to date on Tesla's stock movements, price targets, groundbreaking innovations, and of course, everything related to Elon Musk. If you want the latest insights, check out the link in the description. It helps support our channel as well. One of the most compelling aspects of this next generation of AI models is personalization. Imagine an AI that adapts to each individual user, understanding their unique needs and preferences. But it doesn't stop there. These models will also excel at integration. They'll be able to process enormous amounts of data, access an extensive range of tools, and interact with complex systems seamlessly. This combination, hyper-personalization, and deep integration, is going to redefine customer experiences. As we think about what's possible with AI-driven customer interactions, the potential is staggering. We're already envisioning a future where AI anticipates customer needs, proactively provides solutions, and delivers an almost magical level of service. And that's just the beginning. Beyond customer service, AI is going to revolutionize networking as well. These models will analyze vast amounts of data and optimize processes in ways that were previously unimaginable. This is the kind of advancement where, once people experience it, they'll never want to go back to the old way of doing things. It's important to note that OpenAI does not train its models on API customer data. Your data belongs to you. Other customer data belongs to them. We can create custom models tailored to your specific data, but the core OpenAI models are not trained on private API interactions. This is a key point that we want to be absolutely clear about. Of course, all of this is built on decades of research, technological advancements, and contributions from countless brilliant minds. AI is not something that suddenly appeared overnight. It's the result of years of work in deep learning, computing infrastructure, and software development. From the discovery of semiconductors to the creation of massive data centers, we are simply building on the foundations laid by those who came before us. One of the biggest mistakes research programs make is a lack of conviction and focus. It's easy to replicate something that already works, but truly pushing the boundaries requires unwavering commitment. We chose to bet on deep learning, and we're sticking with that vision. We believe it's the path to AGI and beyond. Of course, we're always open to adjusting our approach based on what we learn along the way, but our focus remains sharp. This partnership with T-Mobile is just one example of the possibilities AI can unlock. We hope it inspires others to see what's possible when AI is leveraged effectively. Healthcare, for instance, is a field where AI has the potential to make a huge difference. Right now, high-quality healthcare is not accessible to everyone. But imagine an AI-powered medical advisor that provides expert-level insights to people around the world. That could be a game changer. Education is another area poised for transformation. Already we're seeing incredible use cases emerge. With 0-1 being available for just a few days, the results have been remarkable. The idea of AI-powered personalized tutoring, where every student receives tailored support based on their unique learning style, could reshape education entirely. What excites me the most is AI's role in accelerating scientific discovery. The most meaningful long-term improvements in our quality of life come from scientific and technological breakthroughs. If AI can help us innovate faster, whether it's developing new medicines, discovering sustainable energy solutions, or creating advanced materials, that would be an enormous leap forward. Looking ahead, 2025 is shaping up to be a pivotal year. Even the skeptics who doubt AI's current trajectory may find themselves surprised by the advancements that emerge. I expect we'll see systems that make people rethink what's possible. Speaking of innovation, our sponsor today, Seeking Alpha, is the go-to source for Tesla investors. Whether you're tracking Tesla's latest innovations or looking for expert market analysis, they've got you covered. Click the link in the description for a special offer. The buzz around AI agents is growing, and for good reason. Imagine giving an AI a complex task, something that would take a highly skilled human days or even weeks to complete, and having it autonomously carry out the work. That's not a distant dream, it's on the horizon. If AI agents work as well as we believe they will, the impact will be transformative. Looking at the bigger picture, AI is becoming the default starting point for a wide range of tasks. Whether it's coding, research, writing, or problem solving, people are already integrating AI into their daily workflows. As the technology continues to evolve, we're only scratching the surface of what's possible. The journey is far from over, but one thing is clear: we're moving forward, and the future is coming fast.